Hi, my name is Jostran Lamontagne. I'm the VP Sales and Marketing for Dimonoff. In the background, you can see our headquarters in Quebec City, Canada. We are experts in IoT and connected solutions for cities and industries. Let's talk about Dimonoff. Founded in 2006 by Bernard Tétu and Daniel Noiseux, we have more than 70 employees, mainly software, hardware, and cloud engineers. Today, I will present the lighting division. We also have the mobility division, design house services, and environmental solution division. 100% of what is produced at Dimonoff is designed and manufactured in America. With projects in more than 6 countries, we are proud to say that we have built very reliable products that have been working for a cumulative of 22 billion hours up to now. This is the different markets that we serve. 3 examples of our lighting projects. Dimonoff solution helps the city to reduce their energy consumption up to 60% by reducing the intensity of the lighting during the night. The control can be very granular and can be applied by zones, by groups, or individually. What is also very important is the savings related to the operation and maintenance of the street lighting network. Dimonoff software is a very powerful CRM where the cities can enter all data related to their luminaires, the type, the height of the pole, who owns it, the fixture, the lamp data sheet, the lamp burn time, etc. This asset management software can also help you manage non-connected objects like park benches, fire hydrants, and many others. The project in Montreal includes 3 different vendors. Our software is able to manage nodes from different vendors. Here, we manage nodes of GE and telematics. Also, we record all data and alarms of the network. In Montreal, we record 125 million sensor interactions per day. Our first project in Mississauga, Ontario, just close to Toronto, has already 50,000 nodes, and they're still ordering new nodes every year. Let's be more technical. Dimonoff solution includes the nodes, the light controllers, gateway, cloud, and software. The nodes are connected together with a DigiMesh radio network of 2.4 GHz. The max distance between each node is 300 meters or 1,000 feet. You can connect up to 1,000 nodes or IoT sensors to a single gateway, and up to 1 million nodes in one business unit of SCMS. The communication system is encrypted and therefore highly secured. The encryption may be up to 256-bit AES. It's bidirectional communication. It's over-the-air data retrieval and firmware upgrades. Each node of the network is a router, eliminating a single point of failure that may occur with other networks. The amount of firmware updated through DevOps. The nodes communicate to the gateway, the cloud, and the software. You have access to your system from any computer with a secured login. You can connect IoT sensors with wires or with a radio mesh module. Dimonoff also produces a cellular node for certain applications. Unlike the mesh node, the cellular nodes involve telecom annual fees. In gray, you can also see that we integrate third-party nodes to the software if we want to. The software, as we say, can integrate many things, and it's very secure and very secured access. You can decide who can do what and when. In summary, it's a powerful CRM, asset management software, manage 3 third-party devices, manage IoT sensors from any vendors, save energy and operation and maintenance costs. We have the different nodes that we produce, the external node with the 7-pin sockets, the internal node on decorative lamps, the RGBW to control the colors, and LNLV for solar and battery applications. The gateway can connect to the cloud with radio frequency or cellular communication, Ethernet, or fiber optics. The node is very sophisticated. It has a universal power supply from 90 volts to 525 volts. It means that with one SKU, one node, you can connect it to all the different type of luminaire that exists. It has a revenue grade metering, 0.5%, which is very precise to get exactly what is your power consumption and how much you're saving every day. Integrated photocell, a tilt sensor, you know if the pole goes down, and it includes also a last gasp. The last gasp is a system that will send a signal just before losing contact to the software, telling exactly at what time the power went off. We don't need any GPS in the nodes. We have created a mobile app for the installation of the nodes. When using the mobile app to install the nodes on site, you scan the barcode, it geolocates the node on the map. Then you twist it on its 7-pin socket and you know immediately if it's connected or not. Before going down the bucket truck, you know if the module is working, and then you don't have to come back anytime. You see here, the node used less than 1 watt of consumption. With a 7-pin socket, it leaves 2 pins to control different sensors, the motion sensor, lux meter, or any type of sensors. The software is built with multi-layers. You can look at only certain parameters at a time. Lighting, environmental sensors, load sensors, even smart poles. By the way, Microsoft has selected Dimonoff system to manage all the smart poles on their campuses. We use the standard MQTT protocol for adding connected objects and publishing data on an MQTT server. We use 2 databases, time series and MySQL for enabling faster report. Production of nice report with Power BI or Grafana are made easy. Here you can see Power BI with a representation of the trend of different alarms or sensors. With the Power Maintenance module, the team can create tickets, working orders to repair or do the maintenance of the network. This is the first part of our presentation. Now we'll jump to the second part, which is the presentation of the software itself. So here we can connect here. You see that there's a certain number of luminaires that are open, some are closed. You see some alarms. Then when you go here, you can see that there's 794 nodes that are connected to the same gateway. If you go closer, then you can connect here on one of the luminaire. It gives you the address, know when it was installed, and then the reading will tell you what is the power consumption and lamp burn time, 24,000 hours, which if you need to plan for the maintenance or change the lights after, let's say, 30,000 hours, then you have all the information to be on time when it will be needed. If we go to the other one, here, we can choose the language. Then you select the business unit you want. So I will show you here the Watt mode. So here you will see that we have some luminaires here, and this is the camera in our warehouse. You see that one is on, this one is on. If I want to take this one on, it's off. I say on, and look at it. Up, it turns on. Metering, it will tell me what. Oh, okay, it used 71 watt. Okay, nice. If I want to dim the light, let's say 30%, look at it. Oh, it goes at 30%. Metering. Now, oh, 25 watts, so big power saving. Very interesting. I want to go to another business unit. I choose this one, switch, yes. And here now, I'm in another power unit. Okay, and it's to show you how we can control some sensors. So I click here, go to Grafana, and oh, it shows me all the sensors. Rain gauges, seismic, sound level, CO2. You know, you can have all the different sensors that you want. Powerful CRM, I click here, you can enter all the information regarding what is on a pole. even the fixture data sheet. You can have it here, the pole data sheet, or different information. Going closer here, I see building. Then if I click on the building, oh, I can also manage the luminaires inside a parking or a building, and I can go per floor if I want to. Very interesting. And I can link the URL link of some cameras and see pictures or videos from public places. That will conclude my presentation of Dimonoff. Please send me your questions or look at our website, dimonoff.com. Have a nice day.